in every corner of the United Kingdom, from quiet villages to busy city centres. One name stands behind cleaner and safer infrastructure, and that's Bucher Municipal. For over 100 years, Bucher Municipal has been a global leader in municipal technology. In the UK, we bring that legacy to life with cutting-edge sewer cleaning solutions designed to meet the toughest demands of our modern infrastructure. Whether you're a local authority or utilities contractor, partnering with Bucher Municipal means choosing reliability, innovation, and unmatched support. At the heart of our offering is a powerful range of sewer cleaning vehicles engineered for performance and precision. Our high-performance recycling unit, built for continuous operation with minimal water usage, ideal for deep cleaning and high-volume work. Compact, agile and perfect for urban environments, combines vacuum and jetting capabilities in one efficient unit. Versatile and robust, designed for medium to large-scale operations, customizable to suit your fleet's needs. The powerful liquid ring pumps makes this unit the go-to machine for operators who need to work on challenging projects where performance is demanded. Each model is built with operator comfort, environmental efficiency and long-term durability in mind. At Bucher Municipal, our commitment doesn't end at delivery. We offer comprehensive service support across the UK, ensuring your fleet stays on the road and on the job. Bucher Municipal have invested in state-of-the-art facilities to ensure our customers receive the best support. With strategically located service centres and mobile technicians, help is never far away. Rapid access to genuine Bucher parts, minimising downtime and maximising performance. We empower your team with hands-on operator training and expert guidance tailored to your operations. Our sewer cleaners are designed with sustainability at their core, from water recycling systems to lower RPM options on all machines. We help you to meet environmental targets without compromising on power. With ongoing investment in research and development, we're consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We are always striving to exceed operator expectations and develop new ideas to make sewer cleaning safer and more efficient. Choosing Bucher Municipal means more than buying a machine. It means joining a community of professionals who care about quality, safety and service.